Ashley from Out Reviews. Today we're unboxing Nadine West. I feel like I get this way too often. I need to like change that. This is a monthly styling service. It is free besides the shipping fee, which can be applied to anything you decide to keep. Whatever you keep, you obviously pay for it. You do fill out a style survey when you sign up. I feel like the items in this subscription are different than that of like Stitch Fix or Wannable or the other clothing. They're a little more budget friendly, but also consistent. Like I feel like some of the other budget friendly options are not as consistent. So do you see what I'm saying? You almost pay for like a stable amount of items and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, sometimes it's a hit, sometimes it's a miss. It is what it is. I do pay for this subscription. This is not like, I do have a referral link, like you'll have one too if you sign up. But I do not get sent this for review. I don't, none of that, no. And then I will insert, how I do it is I don't try everything on here in the video. That's like too daunting. I will insert some photos at the end of me and all the items, and then I'll put down in the description all the items that I kept. If I kept anything, a lot of months I just put it all back in here and I'm like, nope. Last month I kept the blue striped shirt. I like that, but that was it. And then everything goes right back in this bag, and you get a little label for free return shipping. Everything you pay for. Yikes. The only thing is that like the bag will rip occasionally. Like see that? There's a rip now. Sorry, Nadine. All right. Yeah, like get it together, guys. Oh, this was all. Anyway, whatever. All right. It's like, I'm gonna have to tape it, I guess. The reuse thing, the thing is, the plastic strip, there's like a plastic strip in there, mine is gone. And that, occasionally that kind of stuff happens. So you'll get your return label sticker, and then on the back, you'll have like this insert thing. It tells you the price of each of the items. You just slip that back in the bag and send it back. Now, last month I did say, like, I'm annoyed at the items on here. How they're not very descriptive, and you can't tell sometimes which style. It'll be 2 black pants and it'll say pant black, and they have like a name associated, but the name is like something they give it and it's not on the pant. And then someone had commented that they put pictures on the website. This is true sometimes. Sometimes you'll go on there though, and there will just be like this phantom picture, like a stock image or like the outline of a shirt so that you know it's a shirt, but it's not very descriptive at all. And I find that very annoying. It's one of the things that bothers me about this subscription. So anyway, just putting that out there. So first off, we have these cute pants. These are actually really cute. I don't know what this kind of check plaid pattern is called, but I like it. And they are fur lined, which I love, especially for winter. Super snuggly. They are like a tight, like the bottom is like a tapered style, but I do kind of like these front pockets too. I think that's really cool. That's cool, huh? I like those. I think those are cute. All right, then we have, you have to get jewelry in Nadine West. Do I sound like a brat? You don't have a choice, and they will send it to you every month, and I never keep it because I have enough jewelry. In fact, I just went through all my jewelry and gave a bunch to my kids. There's this pretty pendant, won't be keeping. Another pretty chain type, probably like a Y necklace, also won't be keeping. And then another, looks like a brooch, which is also very pretty. Oh no, they're earrings. Very pretty, will not be keeping. All right, then we have, so terrible, a pair of workout pants. I actually really love these. They have the phone pocket on the side, and then there's a second pocket, which is even better. Everything comes in medium. They started sending me smalls a while ago. I need to actually go in there and update. These are super soft, and I do like this color, so those are nice. We'll see about the price, though, because I'm extremely thrifty. Extremely. Ooh, I love this. I love the colors already. I love it already. What was that? I don't know why there was this in there. All right, so it's tied in the back. This orange is just perfect. I love it. 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 It's from a company called E&M. That's a new to me brand. I love this. I just love the colors. It's so pretty. It's like so bright and fun, but it's also soft and feels warm. I like it. All right, on to the next pile of items. Hope they're all really cheap so I can keep them all. All right, this is a shirt that I'm not a huge fan of. This has like those peasant sleeves. My husband loves this kind of stuff. I'm not into it. It's very soft and like super flouncy. Maybe I'll like it on me. This is from Sheila Rose. I just don't like this brand. Anything I get from them, I don't like. I'm like, nope, not into it. Not into it. Too trendy, I think, for me. All right, this is another, oh no, this is from Shop Basic. This is like one of those like super soft, like everyday t-shirts. Not a big fan of the color for myself, at least. Not just, it feels really big. All right, then we have another top, but this one is super pretty. Feels like it would be big. It feels like an old lady-ish to me. The color is very pretty. I like it, but I kind of like it for like decor in your home, not clothing. So it's like a, you know, tank top, and then it has like a ruffling here, whatever. Yak and Yeti, that's who it's from. It's very pretty. The fabric is really nice too. It's probably going to be expensive. Just a guess. All right, here's a bunch of items down here. All right, this looks like a dress, a black dress, a little black dress. But these sleeves, like cold shoulder, not into them. They do not. I just don't like them. This is also from Sheila Rose. I just feel like they don't. I have such a small shoulder space area that I feel like everything that has the cold shoulder, if you have broad shoulders, it looks really good. I don't. They go like this. And it's just very, I just feel like they fall off and it looks like I'm in a bunch of fabric. It is cute though. I mean, I like the idea of a cold shoulder dress, but like, I don't think it's going to look good on me. I'm just honest about it. This is a cardigan, also with those, yeah, peasant sleeves. This does have pockets. I like when they have pockets because I like to shove stuff in them. And then it's longer in the front, you know what I mean? It is that like very soft, like movable, flowy material. I don't know though. I kind of have a black cardigan. Kind of don't feel like I need anything else in that department. All right, and then I think this is my final item. I feel like they sent me these last month, and I feel like I was like, yeah, no. These are like, I don't like stretch jeans. If I have a pair of jeans, I want jeans that button. I just do. And these have like this stuff, the distressing, and then the bottoms are like this. This is a no for me, dog. So there's that. Giovanni Ponte pants. I don't even know what does that mean, but that's what it says. All right, that's everything. So let's look at the prices. Some good things, in my opinion, some bad things. Sometimes something I don't like here, I try on and I see it on me and I'm like, wow, that looks really good. All right, the top Sheila Rose in black. Which one was that? Which one was that? Oh, this one. This is the one. Sheila Rose in black top. These big peasant sleeves. This blouse costs $34.99. Not having it. All right, Alice, natural medium. It's a top. I'm guessing that's this because there's no color. And that's $35.99. That better look real cute because I'm not keeping that. All right. Sheila Rose Bella top black. See that? They're both Sheila Rose. They're both black and they both say top. Like, this is not a top. It's a dress. Or you know the one that was Sheila Rose? Like, it's a dress. Just say long. Add that word. Descriptive word. Anyway, that's $26.99. So I'm guessing the shirt was actually $26.99 and this is $34.99. Just a guess. All right. Gin short sleeve top with side slits in fuchsia. $25.99. That's this shirt. I'm not gonna keep that. That's a t-shirt for $25.99. No thanks. And then the blue top, Genevieve, $25.99. Those are all a no from me, dog. The Sienna leggings in black gray. Oh, these guys. These are $24.99. That's a lot. I don't think so. The dark blue leggings in called Jillian are $24.99. Also a no. The bottoms. Oh, shooty. See, I get so confused. These are $26.99. That's absolutely not. And then, okay, so the black dress is here. That's actually $39.99. This is the other one. It's the cardigan. And so I'm guessing that's the $34.99, but they have it put as a top. It's a cardigan, right? All right, anyway, for the jewelry, I know this is like so like whatever. We have the necklace. So that is the Ada. This is $34.99, hard pass. This is the lariat necklace. That is $34.99 also. And then there's the earrings, which are $17.99. That's everything in my Nadine West. You can check me out on all of the items right here.